Yeah. I want to tell you about my doggy. I speak of him with pride. He don't poop in the house no more. He always goes outside. Lord, I love that doggy. And you may think I'm just a kook. I don't think that I'll ever find another dog like my boy Luke. Oh yeah. When I come home every evening, always wags his tail. Don't care if I've been working or spent the night in jail. Lord, I love that doggy. And you may think I'm just a kook, but I know that I won't ever find another dog like my boy Luke. Yeah. 'Cause he loves without exception. That's his golden rule. He don't play me for no sucker. Don't play me for no fool. Lord, I love that doggy. He just don't know when to quit. And if I ain't got no money, my boy Luke don't give a shit. Yeah, he loves to terrorize me. He makes a lot of noise, so I don't go nowhere near him when he's playing with his toys. Lord, I love that doggy. He just don't know when to quit. If you leave food on the table, my boy Luke's all over it. Oh my. Yeah. When we go to bed, we wrestle. He loves to lick my toes, but I can't retire naked 'cause of where he sticks his nose. Lord, I love that doggy. He don't have to fetch or beg. And if I ain't got no money, my boy Luke still humps my belly. Yeah, I'm bragging about my doggy. He's the apple of my eye. He don't poop in the house no more. He always goes outside. Lord, I love that doggy. Now you may think I'm just a kook. I know that I may never find another dog like my boy Luke. Hear that, Luke? Let's get him, boy. Hey, stop bumping my leg. There's people